Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my new video. Today I will be teaching you guys how much battery backup time battery will provide you in your solar system and UPS. So let's start. As you know that there are two type of batteries in market. The one is lead acid battery and the other one is dry and tubular battery. So as we will be requiring load, let's consider that we are having a load of 300 watt, because it is important that how much load you are applying to your battery. So with this load we will able to calculate the backup of our battery. So let's consider 300 watt load, which include two fans of 80 watts, two LED lights of 25 watt, one tube light, 40 watts, and one LED TV of 50 watts. So overall it will be 300 watts. So let's consider that our total load is 300 watts, which include two fans, two LEDs, one tube light and one LED TV, which is normally the load of any house or any home. So uh, we are having battery of 200 mAh. So ampere hour, 200 ampere hour, let's consider the battery is of 200 ampere hour, and that batteries of 250 ampere hour and 180 ampere hour are also available in the market, so you can calculate for them as well, but I am taking the example of 200 ampere hours. So we have two different cases. Let's take the case of lead acid battery. So in lead acid battery, as we are knowing the power for formula for power is P is equals to VI. As we need to get the current, so we will drive the formula, as power will be 300 watts and the voltage for battery terminal will be 12 volt, so it will provide us 25 ampere of current. So 25 current ampere of current is required to drive 300 watt of load. So as we are knowing the battery capacity, so to find the backup we will take total battery capacity, which will be divided by the amperes or current we are using. So in this example we are having 200 ampere hour of battery capacity and we are using 25 ampere of current per hour, so it will provide us about 20. We will divide it 200 divided by 25, so it will provide of 8 hour of backup. But as you know, you are using lead acid battery, so lead acid battery has efficiency of 70%, because it didn't discharge and charge full cycle, so it is used 70% of its capacity. So with this thing we will use to get 70% into 8 hours, so we will get 5.6 hours. So in case of lead acid battery backup, it will be 70% multiplied by 8 hours that we have calculated before, so it will provide us 5.6 hours of battery backup. So lead acid battery will provide 5 hours of battery backup. Now let's take that example of dry or tubular batteries. As tubular batteries have 90% of efficiency for providing the current to the load, so dry slash tubular batteries, or you can say deep cycle batteries, will have 90% efficiency into 8 hours. So let's multiply by 90% into 8, so it will provide us 7.2 hours. So as you know, it is 7 hours, and 0.2 we will multiply it by 60 to get the minutes. So 7 hours, let's multiply 0.2 multiply by 60, 12 minutes. So in case of dry or tubular batteries, you will get 7 or 12 minutes of backup, but in case of lead acid battery you will get 5.6 hours of battery backup. So for other battery capacity you can calculate it. For 250 ampere hour, you will just put here 250 ampere hours and you will get the battery backup of that battery, and for a 180 as well. And for any type of battery like lead battery or dry tubular battery or lead acid battery, you will provide multiply its efficiency with 90, so you will get the answer. If you have any question you can ask in comment, and if you found this video helpful, kindly like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.